Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday. The weather, a little better than yesterday. But yeah, today we're going to call it Scrumptious Saturday. Last night, like I told you before, yesterday, I had leftovers. I had the lemon chicken orzo soup. It was very good. I'm going to just jump right in today. Today, I got my wonderful wife over there saying something to me. But tonight, I'm going to be doing, technically, the recipe is trout almondine, but actually I'm using flounder. Trout's so not easy to get right now. Part of the Flounder Amandine is I have to, not that I have to, I'm going to be building a Creole seasoning blend. Then I'm going to be doing Copycat rice Roni. And for the veggie, I'm doing Alton Brown's Ginger-Glazed carrots. And it's not what you think. So let's get to it. Got the basic hardware going. As you can see, I got some wild-caught Alaskan flounder, and really does a pretty good job. Their packaging folks do a pretty good job. Here's two vacuum-sealed fillets. Of course, there's almonds, some flour, some lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, some butter, a dash or two of sugar, and parsley. There's parsley in everything today. For the rice Roni, there's a couple of ingredients missing, and that's the thyme and the garlic powder. But of course, it's rice. The recipe actually calls for broken up spaghetti, but I use orzo. Same thing, basically. There's butter, yes, chicken stock, turmeric, and dried minced onions. For the carrots, obviously, carrots, butter, ginger beer. This is actually a ginger beer out of Australia. And look at that fun pull top. And some chili powder. And here is the Creole seasoning. What's missing from this video, from this view, is the salt and pepper, and this is a total of 13 ingredients. So, I get to have a lot of fun today in the kitchen. What are you doing this Saturday? It's not going to get above 60 out there, at least here in Northern California, the Sutter County area. It was 9 degrees in Truckee this morning. Yeah. Robin and I, for breakfast, had the chicken divan that Robin finished up the other night. It was a good breakfast. Hey, we have breakfast for dinner. Why not chicken divine or divin for breakfast? Why not? We're adults. All right. On this day, have a great one. Eat great food and have fun cooking.